sir. I've got one large pizza with anchovies. Just need you to sign right here.
I didn't order any pizza with anchovies. I don't even know why you guys offer that as a topping.
Some people like them on their pizza. They're not bad. Either way, I got to deliver this somewhere. This is 1305 Providence Court.
Yeah, you got the right address, but I didn't order a pizza with anchovies.
No, sir. I'm afraid we don't make mistakes like that at Carl's Pizza Kitchen. You can look at our policy on our website if you'd like.
I don't care about your website. We did not order a damn pizza.
Sir, I have specific instructions to deliver the pizza to this address in 30 minutes or less. No exceptions. If this is a prank, I really don't got time for this.
This is not a prank, but I'm telling you, we did not order a pizza with anchovies.
Take the pizza.
I don't want that pizza. It's going in the trash if I bring that pizza into this apartment.
Ooh, my pizza. Put anchovies on it?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too.